Cordial greetings to Terran partners. My name is Andrit Rios, and I will present the step one. My full name is Andrit Karina Rios Duran. I am from Colombia. I am 25 years old. I live in Ocaña. I work with my boyfriend, and his own business from fruits and vegetables. I live in Ocaña in an apartment. My apartment is small, but it's very beautiful. It has two bedrooms, one bathroom, one balcony, one living room, one kitchen, and one clothyard. My hobbies are read and see videos about spirituality, about psychology, listen to music in English, and go out with my friends to eat ice cream and talk about our lives. My positive qualities are I love the order and declining. I'm very disciplined. I like organizing my time. I like listen people. I lovely with people and animals. But negative qualities are I impatient and I am a little controlling. My daily routine. Sometimes I get up at 3 a.m. o'clock for my job. Other days I get up at 5 a.m. I work to my day. I arrange my house. I make the lunch. I clean my home. And I start to study to at night. I make the dinner. I clean the kitchen and I go to sleep at 10 p.m. o'clock. And my weekends free. I do generally clean from my house. I rest, I study, and I go out to eat. The person more important in my life is my mom. She's 50 years old. Her name is Janet Elena. She is housewife. Her face is very beautiful. Her skin is white. Her eyes are brown. She's got hair curly black. She's small. She's very lovely. She's tranquil. She's very brave. And negative qualities are she has a bad temper sometimes. The day where I felt happiest, it was the day when they gave me the news that I had won scholarship for I can study in the university. But the day I felt sad, it was when they did an operation to my father, and he got worse. My family and me, we think that he was going to die. It was a moment very nervous and sad, but thanks to God, he's still alive. My future plans, some after graduating, or I have my own school for learning English and learning English in the school where I study in my village. I plan to live in New Zealand sometime. I don't know if I will be married. It's not sometime that I wish I'm out, and I will not have kids. Thank you very much.